this wonderful encounter. My name is Willie D. Bedell. I am a partner for this program. I'm going to be one of the moderators here.
We started that the volume occupied by a fixed amount of gas is directly proportional to the temperature. Temperature provided that pressure is constant.
Provided the pressure is constant. And what is the answer?
Take Charles' law.
Charles' law is precise for 10 points.
The closeness of a measurement to its accepted value that of a particular quantity or the physical quantity is referred to as what?
If I may have said your position.
Check accuracy.
Accuracy is for 10 points.
Last time I was like getting clear.
Yeah.
We are live now, please.
Folks,
if you are just joining us, you're live. Is that
you're very low. Very low.
Huh? Hello?
Yeah, you
guys hear me now?
We hearing you, but it's low.
Are you hearing me?
Yes, I can hear you clear.
Sabari says it's low.
Joseph, the problem is simple. I think because I may have called you, so the volume is going to reduce. Log off and come back in. You will,
okay.
Volume.
So, folks, if you are just joining us, I want to say you are highly welcome to this wonderful encounter. We have two schools here in studio. We have CMFI from Montserrado County, and we expect National Valley Massaquoi to join us in a few seconds. So we have CMFI.
Okay.
We expect
National
Valley Massaquoi to join us. So National Valley Massaquoi is here with us. So folks, we have CMFI from Montserrado County and National Valley Massaquoi from Bong County. This is the second game of the day, and this is the second to the last game to climb out the round of 12. We have few schools that have already progressed to the round of 6. However, after this game, we have the last standing game to climb out the round of 12. That is Grace by State Institute. We played Small Moi from Bong County. So now we have two schools in studio. These two schools are CMFI and NAC. Without much time to waste, we turn on to the boss from Bong County. That is Nathaniel Valley Massaquoi. You have 1 minute for an introduction.
Thank you all so much. In God with us, we came on the sky representing Boston and get on the Tower Kingdom. Not for my home course, as I'm the first student by only student.
Successful philosopher student Jesse P. Moba. For today, March, I mean to that great friend by my teacher that work in Algebra and Geometry and learning to the quality Geometry and no one else but Ray Descartes.
I'm successful doctor philosopher Johnson A. To my boosting be having the data as about the having the Oga to Skito as summit.
He submit. Without much time to waste, we move on to CMFI. CMFI, you have a minute there for introduction.
Thank you, Frederick, for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. Basically, I'm new as Tim Joss. Personally, I'm new as Melvin Gizi Apostle.
Melvin Gizi Apostle. So for to you are not friends, so the board want to say you are highly welcome again. And without much time to waste, we'll go directly into the game, but we'll just emphasize on the rules, most especially the second rule. So the first one is the question will go for 1 minute. Within 1 minute time, the question will last for this long period of time. However, if you boost our bell and you think you can provide an answer within 5 seconds, 2 seconds, 10 seconds, all you have to do for us is that when you boost the bell, be able to provide the answer within 10 seconds. If you cannot provide the answer within 10 seconds, we cut you off. There is nothing of killing time. As when you boost the bell, we believe that you already have your answer prepared or your answer is almost to finish. So if you are providing your answer, you should be able to provide within 10 seconds. If you cannot provide within 10 seconds, we'll cut you off. And the last rule is any question you answer, you have to prove to us. You have to give a few steps. You have to prove that you understand what you saw. So first, we have a guest moderator here. He played in this board game before, beat a lot of schools, and now he has progressed to the Veteran War. He will better introduce himself.
What did you say?
Yeah.
Thank you. The name remains Sabari Ansu Williams. Williams Ansu Sabari. As I have been told that the two questions in studio are best of the best. So for today's match, they refer to me as the expected value of X.
So you have to be a little bit audible when you're ready to read, please.
Yes,
So, folks,
yes.
if you are just joining us again, we want to say you are highly welcome. My name is Thomas T. Tapet Jr. Without much time to waste, firstly, we start with CMFI. CMFI, I think the people is CM. Am I correct?
Yes, CM.
Not. Your booster is not. Am I correct?
Yeah, no.
Not. CM. So we move on with the first question. Sabari, please take control.
Question number one, and the question reads: in studio we have what did Massaquoi? Nathaniel Vanier and V Massaquoi there's a bill. Can you hear me?
Yeah, no.
Yep. And CMFI there's a boozer.
CM.
Same. Question number one, and the question reads from the batch of mathematics. Subject of whether be there Tomotabe and the leg of Taridon Boya. Question number one. Simple question. I'm not gonna make me to be sharp here. Question number one. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Oliver can pin a horse in 8 hours. Prince can pin the horse in 6 hours. Ellis can also pin the horse in 6 hours. How long will it take to pin the horse if all of them are working together? I read for clarity. Oliver can pin a horse in 8 hours. Prince can pin the horse in 6 hours. Ellis can also pin the horse in 6 hours. How long will it take to pin the horse if all of them are working together?
Nah.
Yes, now the answer.
10 seconds now. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Take
5.
Take will be
6.
2 hours.
Come again?
2 hours.
Okay, let's hear from your opponent. Oliver can pin a horse in 8 hours. Prince can pin the horse in 6 hours. Ellis can pin the horse in 6 hours. How long will it take to pin the horse if all of them are working together?
You have 20 seconds remaining. Now you have 10 seconds remaining. The countdown. 1.
CM.
Let me hear you.
Yes.
1.
They will take
2, 3, 4.
12 hours. 12 hours, Fred. 12 hours.
So, Nathaniel Vanny, your answer would have been 2 hours, 2 minutes, and 11 seconds. Or you say 2 over 11. Is that okay for you? Or 24 over 11 would have been precise. And it would have been acceptable. Question number 2.
Yes. You say in how many hours? Your question was in how many hours?
I said how long will it take? I didn't say how many hours. I said how long.
Sabari, let me jump right there. Okay, got a question. When you solve t is equal to 2 whole number 2 over 11, so that is 2 whole number 2 over 11 is not 2 hours. number 2 or limit is not 2 hours. There's nothing to argue about it.
Let's proceed, Fedrian.
If you give me the cause, I'll give you the worry. Question number 2, and the question reads: points for the part of geometry. Question number 2. Points TP and TQ are two tangents to the circle with central O, such that angle POQ is equal to 130 degrees. Find the value of angle PTQ. I read for clarity. Points TP and TQ are two tangents to a circle with center O, such that angle POQ is equal to 130 degrees. Find the value of angle PTQ.
You have 40 seconds remaining.
I read for the last time. Points TP.
Now,
Yeah, now also.
Now you have 10
50
seconds
degree.
now.
50 degree. 50 degree.
50 degree. Show the audience how you got a 50 degree.
Yeah, Fedrian. You know, once the angle TP is equal to T, and they are all tangent. So we notice that tangent once tangent 490 degree, right? So we'll draw the side, want to put tangent and indicate the point O there. When you indicate the point O, when you add 180 degrees, so 180 minus 130 degree, you get 50 degree.
But you see the step a man use? Come again with an explanation.
Yeah, tangent on a circle. We notice that once the TP, yeah, tangent on a circle. Once the TP, you got TQ, right? And last, we notice that I just saw my 360 degrees. Some of the things about once the tangent from a circle, you know, it's a straight from a circle, so you measure 180 degrees. So we say 180 minus 180 minus 130 degrees, you have 50 degrees. That's what I made.
Fedrian, wait, I can give you 5 points.
No, Tim.
Because there's like for the part we get triangle POQ, they represent a quadrilateral. And in a quadrilateral, you already get two tangents which are very clear. So for the tangent to circle at 1 point. So each other point you get 90 degree and 90 degree. So you get 180 degree. So the 180 degree plus, so a quadrilateral you get 360 degree minus the sum of the two tangents plus the angle POQ.
Sabari.
Yeah, is that so?
Yeah, these are.
Sabari, I will give him the 10 points because take it from another angle too. I like the way he said the cycle measures what the total is 360 degree, which is also you could use that in lieu of the quadrilateral, which is also what.
This is how it
Hold on, my friend. Hold on.
Hold on.
Which is also 360 degree. Then he also talked about a place where of 180, he came with the 180 degree. So instead of what we have, or so we broke it down again because of we use the quadrilateral, so we use the right angle of 90, and he used a cycle, so he used a 180 degree. It also makes sense that just 180 minus plus 130 from the 360 will give you 50. So I think I'll take it.
For the sake of the game, I agree with you there. But if you're looking at yes. Okay, 10 points.
Yes, that later.
CM.
Yes,
CM. Yeah, Fedrian. Accordingly, the rules is that any question you answer, you explain or you should give clear explanation on why you should be sure of why you answer, right? And then my opponent give different explanation to why you're saying we are not similar.
Yeah, it.
And it's almost like guessing.
Wait, I'll just say, let me take it. First thing I'll tell you, one, you're not a moderator to decide what is what. Two, he is not guessing. There are always different methods to solving. And per his theorem, what we got when the question was due, we use it more from a quadrilateral and 90 degrees angles cornered. And he's coming more from a cycle and
What?
cycle
If you
equation.
put a diagram there,
All right. So his estimation
you see the diagram.
is it makes sense.
CMFI
And
proceed.
we'll move on with the game. Take 10 points.
Question number 3 in the question read, Nathaniel Vanning 10 points, CMFI 0. Question number 3 in the first half. Solve this radical equation given that this lower root of, or let's say parenthesis open, the square root of 4 minus 2s is closest minus 1 is equal to the square root of 1 minus 9s. I reread for clarity. Parenthesis open, the square root of 4 minus 2s is closest minus 1 is equal to parenthesis open, the square root of 1 minus 9s is closest. Find the value of s that will satisfy the equation. For the last time, solve for s in parenthesis open, the square root of 4 minus 2s is closest, minus 1 is equal to parenthesis open, the square root of 1 minus 9s is closest. Now, don't give me the time, right?
Yeah, sure. 35 more seconds remaining.
CM, 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 CM. CM, 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 CM.
You have 10 seconds now.
CM.
1.
Yes, CM, answer.
Yes. X here have two values. X here have two values. X is equal to 0 or x is equal to negative 64 over 49.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Yes,
let me hear you. Teach me. Teach me,
yes,
teach me, teach me, teach me.
The cell was I send one across and I have the root of 4 minus 2 is equal to 1 plus the root of 1 minus 9x. I square both sides. We have 49x squared plus 28x plus 4 is equal to 4 minus 36.
CMFI, we can hear you. CMFI, CMFI. CMFR, CMFR. Sorry, Tomo gave me 10 points.
Okay.
Give me 10 points, give me 10 points.
Yeah, but you have to settle first before we continue on this game.
Yes, yes, yes.
So I have the first.
CMFR.
Are you hearing us?
CMFR.
I have to keep it out and withdraw again. CMFI, are you hearing us?
Yeah, still go then.
Okay. So he will join us in a few seconds. So the audience out there will still with us. Montserrado County. They are facing some huge technical problem. So we hope CMFI join us within a few seconds. So to the audience out there, the score here is 10 points to CMFI and 10 points to National Valley Massaquoi. The margin we have here in studio is 0 in favor of the moderating vote. If this is the first time joining us, I want to say you are highly welcome on this platform. We have one more game to climax the round of. We have one more game to climax the round of 12, and we progress to the round of 6. So if you are just joining us, I want to say you are highly, highly welcome. CMFI, are you hearing us now?
Yeah, Fred, yeah.
15 point.
Okay.
We proceed.
Without wasting time, CMFI, just give the equation. Just give that equation allow you to get 0 and negative 64 or 49.
Yes. The equation was honestly hoping 7x plus 2 the closest all square is equals to 2 the rule of 1 minus 9x the closest all square. And it probably to 49x square plus 28x plus 4 equal 4 minus 36x. And I collect less things. I have 49x square plus 64x. And I factor x, I have x plus 0 or
Save your breath. That gave you a beautiful 10 points. Stomach tablet will 10 over to you.
Was that not the second question? Or is the third question?
No, that was actually the third question.
Okay. So, folks, if you are just joining us, we want to say you are highly welcome. 3 questions has been read, and we have 6 more questions to come at the first half. The question is question number 4. The question is question number 4. First half. And I read for both schools. Question number 4. And I read. Find the sum of the first 10 tenths of the geometric sequence with the first 10 1 and the 10th 10 512. I read again. Find the sum of the first 10 terms of the geometric sequence with the first 10 1 and the 10th 10 512. I read for the last time. Find the sum of the first 10 terms of the geometric sequence with the first 10 1 and the 10th 10 512. Now you have about 55 seconds on the clock. Now you have 45 seconds on the clock.
Please the question you
Find the sum of the first 10 terms of the geometric sequence with the first 10 1 and the 10th 10 512. You have 30 seconds on the clock. Only 5 seconds remaining. $15 seconds remaining. 10 seconds. The countdown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. CM, you have 10 seconds now. What is the answer?
CM.
1. 2,
Yes.
the answer. 3.
Your answer here is 128. 128.
128. You are wrong. 128. You have 10 seconds. Not turn up on the Massaquoi, but I'm about to read the question for the last time. Find the sum of the first 10. Find the sum of the first 10 tenths of the geometric sequence with the first 10 1 and the 10th 10 512. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Take 120. I'm going to say 120,000.
120,000. You are wrong. 1,023 will have been precise. 1,023 will have been precise. 1,023 will have been precise. The question is question number 5, and I read for both schools. Question number 5. Solve the system of equations. 2x plus 3y is equal to 5, and 4x minus y is equal to 11. 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. Now you have 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Take or Frederick.
5.
It will be going to nothing about 8 or 14 even when simplify or get you. If you simplify get 19 or so, and y will be equal to
8, 9.
Okay, 3 or so or what going to yeah, and what going to nothing about 3 or so.
Why
you get me?
You are wrong. Why is it 3 over 7? Why is it 3 over 7? You are wrong. Why is it 3 over 7? You are wrong. Your question, CMFI, and I read. Solve the system of equation. 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. 4x minus y is equal to 11. You have about 30 more seconds on the clock. I have 25 seconds on the clock.
CM.
Now you have 10 seconds. What is your answer?
Yes. X is equals to 19 over 7, and y is equals to minus 1 over 7.
Teach me, I want to learn. Teach me, correction period. Teach me, I want to learn.
Yes, second. Solving system equation. In all, we are elimination method, substitution method, so I use the elimination method. I eliminated y. So I multiply the second equation by 3, which will give me 12x minus 3y equals 33. I add 2s to 12s will give me 14s equals I add 33 plus 5 will give me 38. And s will be equal to 19 over 7. Having s value, I plug the s value into, I take one equation and plug the s value into it and solve for y. And I will be minus 1 over 7.
And that gave you 10 solid points. 10 points. That gave you 10 solid points. So, folks, if you are just joining us, the score here in studio, we have CMFI 20 points and Atana Vani Massaquoi 10 points. The margin in studio here is 10 points in favor of CMFI. So, if I'm done to wait, I move on to question number 6. The question is question number 6, and I read for both schools. Question number 6, and I read: simplify 2 plus 3r all divided by 1 minus 2r. Simplify. Now, we have 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Take your money.
6.
Take minus 4 plus all over 5. You get me?
Come again. What your answer?
Minus 4 plus all over 5.
Minus 4 plus 7r all over 5. Minus 4 plus 7r all over 5. Teach me.
Yeah, Frederick, this 2 plus 3r over 1 minus 2r. You got to rationalize you got to so the denominator multiply by 2 or 3r over 1 minus 2r times 1 plus 2r over 1 plus 2r. You know that 2 times 1 give you 2, and 2 times 2 will give you plus 2r, and 3 times 1 give you plus 3r, and 3 times 2 will give you plus 6r squared, and that r squared minus 1. So 6 times 1 will give minus 6. So that is how you can say 1 times 1 give you 1, 1 times 2 give you 2, okay, and 2r, so minus 2r times 1 give you plus 2r, minus 2r, that minus 2r times 2r give you a negative 4r squared, and that r squared minus 1, so negative 4r. Negative 4 times minus 1 give you positive 4. So we want to be 2 plus 4r plus 3r minus 6 over 1 plus 4. But we know that 2r and minus 2r will cancel. So again, so now with 2 minus 6 give you a minus 4. And 4 plus 3r give us 7r. So the minus 4 plus 3r, only then again 4 plus 1 give 5. So we minus 4 plus 7r over 5.
Folks, I don't know if you are enjoying yourself here or if you are in your team or you are learning. But as for us, we are learning, and the students in studio are teaching us. So, folks, this game is a wonderful one. You can see that Virgin Video has to come on screen to tell you that he's really enjoying this game. However, the score here is 20 points to CMFI and 20 points to Nathaniel Vani Massaquoi. The margin is 0, and this question has been read the first half. We are left with 3 more questions to climax the first half.
Thomas,
Once again, the score is 20 points to Nat and 20 points to CMFI.
Thomas, I only like a general when CMFI see and I hear the question. The man gave me answer. He say, "Now hear the question." Okay, be there. Come on, continue. Sabari.
I just let when you call him no money Bong and they ask him like in a pere ask him. That's the way I enjoy here. Mete 1 over 2 A. Question number 7 and the question reads: this is actually a very, very good game. Margin is 0. Question number 7 for the batch of geometry. The diagonal of a rectangle is 18 and the base is 14. Find the area and perimeter of the diagonal. I read for clarity. The diagonal of a rectangle is 18 and the base is 14. Find the area and perimeter.
You have 55 seconds remaining.
The diagonal of a rectangle is 18 and the base is 14. Find the area and perimeter of the diagonal.
You have 35 seconds remaining.
CM.
One ask me.
CM, let me hear you.
CM.
Yes.
Now you have 10 seconds, CM.
The error is
3, 4,
14.
5.
The root of 155 cm square, and the perimeter is 28 plus 2 the root of 155 cm.
Okay, let's hear from your opponent.
Yes.
That was a very good try.
The error is 14 the root of 155 cm square.
Let's hear from your opponent. Let us hear from your opponent. Question read: the diagonal of a rectangle is 18 and the base is 14. Find the perimeter and area of the rectangle.
Oh, he said
the diagonal of a rectangle is 18.
Now, you have 10 seconds. 1, 2.
Yeah. The area is 36 cm square and the perimeter is 30 cm.
No. So for not CMFI, if you pass the rectangle, you are going to get the opponent will be 18, right? And you already get one of the bases to be 14, and the other base is what? 8 root 2. Do you agree with me?
8 root 3 and 6
8 root 2. 8 root 2.
So Barry, catch
So
it.
you are using 60, 90, 30 degree triangle.
If I give you a rectangle, they will give you the diagonal. So just split the rectangle, get rectangle triangle. So
but it will be 45.
Okay, let's hear you.
It will be 45, 90. If you split it into diagonal, it will be 45, 90 degree. And the ratio is 1 to 1 to the root of 2. But
you're wrong.
Yeah, continue.
You're wrong.
I don't enjoy the way.
We're wrong.
It
It can be 1 to the root of 2. You just said 30, 60, 90. We're trying to give you from the Pythagorean theorem.
45, 90.
No, it can be 45, 90. Okay, yeah, if you do 45, 90. Okay, what you get? You only get 8 root 2. You still get 8 root 2. Whatever you do, you get 8 root 2. Do you have 8 root
Yeah,
2?
Fenya proceed.
Have you seen your fourth?
He's here. He just won't argue.
I see here proceed. Fenya here.
Yeah, so the area is 112 root 2, and the perimeter is 28 plus 16 root 2. Question number 8 in the question reads, find the rational zeros. Find the rational zeros of 2s cubed plus 3s squared minus 8s plus 3. Find the rational zero. Yes, see the answer.
You have 10 seconds.
CM.
1,
Yes, see
2,
Yes.
3,
Plus or minus 1,
5.
plus or minus 3, plus or minus 1 over 2, and plus or minus 2 over 3. I can make it plus or minus 3 over 2. 3 over 2, 3 over 2, 3 over 2. Yes, 3 over 2.
I'll give you the chance to come out for the last time. Find the
Plus or
rational
minus
zero.
1. Plus or minus 1. Plus or minus 3. Plus or minus 1 over 2. I can make plus or minus 1 over 2. Plus or minus 3 over 2.
Okay, let's hear from your opponent.
Find
the rational zeros of 2s cubed plus 3s squared minus 8s plus 3.
Now,
answer.
Yes,
You have 10 seconds.
plus or minus 2, plus or minus r with 3, and minus 3 over 2.
So CMFI, we said find the rational zero. So all the answer you gave was roots of this cubic equation. So the rational zeros are positive 1, 1 over 2, and negative 3.
Factor 8. If you think if you want factor 8, you will see. When you factor 8, you still get x minus 1, 2x minus 1, and x plus 3.
And then you realize mistake.
If you do synthetic division, you still get minus 1.
S minus 1 in one parenthesis,
Right.
2s minus 1, and s plus 3.
Yeah.
So listen to the question before you attack the question. Question number 9 to end this first half. Question number 9 in the question reads, simplify 1 minus parenthesis open 1 over s is closest minus another parenthesis open 6 over s squared is closest, all divided by 1 minus parenthesis open 4 over s is closest plus another parenthesis open 3 over s squared is closest. I read for the last time. Simplify 1 minus parenthesis open 1 over s is closest minus another parenthesis open 6 over s squared is closest, all divided by 1 minus parenthesis open 4 over s is closest plus another parenthesis open 3 over s squared. Comment tabe.
We have 55 seconds now.
Okay.
CM.
You have 10 seconds now. 1, 2.
Yes.
3,
S is equals to
4,
S square is the answer is S square minus S minus 6 all over S square minus 4S plus 3.
Let's hear from your opponent. Simplify 1 minus parenthesis open 1 over s is closest minus another parenthesis open 6 over s squared is closest, all divided by 1 minus parenthesis open 4 over s is closest plus another parenthesis open 3 over s squared.
You have 25 seconds on the clock. You have 15 seconds on the clock.
Now,
Yes,
Nah, what is the answer? 8.
check it. L plus 2 over x minus 1.
Come again?
L plus 2 all over x minus 1.
Wrong.
Teach me.
Chaga.
Yeah. Somebody check the number he called. He said x minus 1.
He said S plus 2 or S minus 1.
Yeah, X minus 1.
Yes, man, look.
Check your
Yeah,
paper.
that is,
Check your paper. Check your paper. Check your paper. Check original paper. Okay. Yeah.
teach me. Then what is
Yeah, go ahead.
Let me teach.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, then you notice that I will say 1 minus 1 over x minus 6 over x squared. So let's simplify step by step. So the more I equal the division, let's simplify well.
Okay. Wait. Just give me your further equation. I made to get S plus 2 over S plus 1.
Yeah, x squared minus x minus 6 over x squared minus 4x plus 3. Then you say you follow right x minus 3 into x plus 2 over x minus 3 to x minus 1. So x minus 3, x minus 3 will cancel. So the x plus 2 over x minus 1. X plus 2 over x minus 1.
10 points.
So take 10 points. So folks,
What
if you are just joining us.
Yeah. Continue. I'm double checking, but continue.
Yeah.
If you are just joining us, want to say you are highly welcome.
And CMFI have no qualm because we spoke English.
No, he correct. I got it.
No, I said CMFI has no qualm.
Yeah, he knows. I told you
simplify. Yeah, he has no qualm.
Help proceed,
So folks, if you are just joining us, the score is 20 points to CMFI and 30 points to NAC. The machine is 10 points in favor of National Massaquoi.
Yeah.
We moved directly to the second half. We have come to the end of the first half. 9 questions were read, and now move directly into the second half. The question is question number 1, second half, and I read for both two. Question number 1, and I read. How many ways can you arrange the letters in the word probability? And probability is spelled Probability. Probability. How many ways can you arrange the letter in the word probability? And I read for the last time. How many ways can you arrange the letters in the word probability? And the word probability is spelled Probability. 59 seconds gone. We have 54 more seconds remaining. For 5 seconds remaining.
Nah.
Not. Now you have 10 seconds. What is your answer? 1, 2, 3.
Take that be 3326400.
You are wrong. I can accept that. You have the remaining time on the clock. CMFI. How many ways can you arrange the letter in the word probability?
Yes, CM.
You have 10 seconds now. You have 10 seconds now.
9,979,200.
You are also wrong. The correct precise answer is 19,958,400. The question is, you had a total of 11 letters in this question, and it's 11 factorial or 2 factorial because you have B repeating itself. B is the only letter that is repeating itself.
No, Ferdinand, no. Ferdinand, I repeat to I repeat. I repeat.
Wait, hold on. Probability.
Wait, hold on.
Probal.
B-R-L-I-T-Y.
Yeah.
I repeat.
Wait,
Thomas. Il va answer par tout,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it's 11 factorial over.
Oh, 2 factorial.
I is repeating.
Yeah, I is repeating.
One minute.
I know. 1 minute.
Someone called 9 million.
You're right. Somebody called 9 million. So the first man is actually wrong.
Yeah. You said 9 million. What was the answer?
9,979,200.
Teach me. Wow.
Yes. 11 factorial over 2 factorial. We and we know that a factorial means the multiple of a number from 0 to the number, from 1 to the number. So we got 11 times 9 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 to 1 or 2 factorial with 2 down 1 and 2 down 1. 2 down 1 cannot 2 down 1 up. 2 is 1 time and 2 is 4. 2 times we multiply, we get 9,979,200.
13 points. Wow, that's a huge number that you calculated. 13 points. 13 points. And folks, if you are just joining us, that was the first question in the second half. The score we have here is 30 points to CMFI and 30 points to National Valley Massaquoi. 30 points to CMFI and 30 points to National Valley Massaquoi. 0 points or 0 margin in favor of the moderating pool. That was question number 1 in the second half. Without much time to waste, we move directly into question number 2. The question is question number 2, and I read for both schools. Question number 2, and I read for both schools. Find the center and radius of the cycle with this equation: x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 8y plus 9 is equal to 0.
CM.
You have 10 seconds. CM.
It's equal to 0. It's equal to 0. The center here is
4.
TD comma minus 4 and the radius
8.
And the radius is 5.
You are wrong. CMF National Valley Massaquoi. Find the center and radius of this cycle: x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 8y plus 9 is equal to 0. You have about 20 seconds remaining. Yeah, now you have 10 seconds.
Now you have 10 seconds. Take the center will be parallel will be 3 comma minus 4 and the radius got a positive 4.
Correction free.
Simple mistake you have become mistake at race. Simple mistake you have become mistake at race. Teach me. I want to learn.
Yeah. Ferdinand, you said this. You should find a center and radius here. So right here, the first thing we'll do is that we'll call it in Latin. We'll say x squared minus 6x plus y squared plus 8y, and we'll transfer the positive 9 it's got a negative 9. So therefore, we want to have a 6 and square it to complete it. Then all have to complete it. So the x squared minus they have a 6 is 6, so x squared minus 6x, and they have a 6 is 3 when you square is 9. X squared minus 6x plus 9. Parenthesis close the plus, and that parenthesis will be y squared plus 8y. They have a 8 is y is 4. And when you square it says immediately they have a 8 is 4 when square is 16. Plus 16 is equal to 9. So therefore, we notice that when you find rising in there, so the x squared minus 6 plus 9 when you find you get parenthesis will be x minus 3 equals to all squared plus and that parenthesis y plus 4 equals to all squared is equal to y. It's got y minus 9. So therefore, the number that will score carry across, the number that will square will carry across. Go now, anything that I have on the level, so I have on the right hand side. So we say minus 9 plus 9, which is for the x side, and minus
minus 9 plus 9 plus the 4 square is 16, which is 16. So now minus 9 and plus now cancel already. So they S minus 3 square plus Y plus 4 square is equal to 16. So therefore now we know that, and the formula for the circle says that F minus H equals to R square plus Y minus K equals to R square is equal to R square. So therefore we know that the negative sign within our thing is negative 3. So more about negative 3 by negative 1 again positive 3. So therefore 3 positive 4 times negative 1 give us negative 4. So if 3 negative 4, then we find the root of 16 give us positive 4.
The root of 16 positive 4. That leads you to 10 points. Simple mistake, you out. Bigger mistake at rest. And that's how you get a 10 points. So the score is 40 points to Nathaniel Massaquoi and 30 points to CMFI. The question is question number 3. The question is question number 3. And I read for both schools. Question number 3. And I read. Find the coefficient of x raised to the 5th power, y raised to the 3rd power in this expansion. I read again. Find the coefficient of x raised to the 5th power, y raised to the 3rd power in this expansion. And the expansion is parenthesis open 2x plus 3y equals this raised to the 8th power. Parenthesis open 2x plus 3y equals this raised to the 8th power. CM, a fast boost. You have 10 seconds. A fast boost. CM, simple message.
Yes, take 1094. The coefficient is 1094.
1094.
94. Your fast, yeah, 1094. I can accept that. The question. That's not funny matter question. Find the coefficient of x raised to the 5th power, y raised to the 3rd power in the expansion. For answer will be 2x plus 3y equals this raised to the 8th power. You have 30 seconds on the clock. You have 25 seconds on the clock. You have 20 seconds on the clock.
Take 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 times 4 is 6.
Very wrong.
3,456 is not correct. The correct precise answer is 48,384. 48,384. 48,384. Yes. CM. It's not even possible.
It's 48,384, bro.
You call in, I know one stop. It's not even possible. You raise to the 8th power, you have coefficient of x to be 2.
Let me tell you,
you're wrong. It's not even possible. You're wrong. I don't even want to waste my time.
You're wrong.
It's not even possible to be that small number. It's not even possible. You far from reality.
That means that 2 will be raised to the 5th power and 3 will be raised to the 3rd power. So you gotta get a cube and a. I don't know what it is.
Let's move on. Let's move on. We got one more game. Let's move on.
Question number 4, I think so.
And that was question number 3.
Yeah, Sabari.
40 points to Nathaniel Massaquoi and 30 points to CMFI.
Question number 4. Everybody back in each other 1-1. Solve this complex equation for the value of z. Solve this complex equation for the value of z. Given that 1 plus z all divided by 1 minus z is equal to 8r minus 5. Solve this complex equation for z given that 1 plus z all divided by 1 minus z is equal to 8r minus 5. Find the value of z.
This is a boring game.
I will revoke find the value of z in 1 plus z all divided by 1 minus z is equal to 8r minus 5.
55 seconds remaining on the clock. $50 seconds on the clock. $40 seconds on the clock. $30 seconds on the clock. $20 seconds on the clock.
CM.
PM, you have 10 seconds. PM, you have 10 seconds. What is the answer?
Let hear you.
1.
C is equals to 2.
Z is equal to 2.
C is equal to 2.
Come again.
Or C is equal to
Let hear from your opponent.
You have 10 seconds. Not everybody, you have 10 seconds. 1.
Yeah, now.
Yes, now
3.
answer.
No. Z is equal to. Il faut que Z is equal to 25. 25 plus 24 are all 25.
No, again take it.
You hear me?
Again take it.
I think it's 1 plus 24 hours 25. Or 1 plus 24 25 hours.
No.
It's the same thing.
No.
Yeah,
Listen now. Your answer should have been Z is equal to 22 plus 4R all divided by 20, or 11 over 10 plus R over 5. That would be the perfect value for Z. You can verify if you get a coin, you raise a coin, the money really boys. Prepare to address a coin.
Yeah, let's continue. Let's continue. Time is not.
Question number 2. Find the value of S, or find the value of SE, or find the value of S such that 0 degree is less than X. 0 degree is less than or equal to X that is less than or equal to 360 degrees. 6 times square S is equal to 3.
Now.
Yes, now answer.
Not. You have 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
30 degree is 30 degree.
30 degree.
You get me?
Mm-hmm.
Which is going to 30 degree or 1 is sending.
30 degree and 1 or 4.
Meaning 1 or 4.
30 degree or 1 or 4. Okay, let you have for your opponent.
I say 1 or 4.
Now I say that you have for your opponent now.
You're wrong. You're wrong.
Find the value of S such that 0 degree is less than or equal to X that is less than or equal to 360 degree. Say some square S is equal to 3.
Yes. X is 45 degree, 135 degree, 225 degree, and 315 degree.
S is equal what?
X equal 45 degree, 135 degree, 225 degree, and 315 degree.
Teach me.
Yes, giving the ball to be 0 or 0 degree less than or equal to S, and S less than or equal to 360 degree. I want to do a 2 or 2 weird equivalent of 45 degree. But so long I already have an equal for to be in the 4 quadrant. So I will form 45 degree in each quadrant. Taking a reference angle which is in the first quadrant will be 45, in the second quadrant will be 135, in the third quadrant will be 225, and in the fourth quadrant will be 315 degree.
10 points. 45 degree for the sake of the audience. 45 degree is seen at pi by 4. 135 is seen at 3/4 pi. And 225 is stated is seen at 5 pi by 4. And 315 is 7 pi by 4. Question number 6 in the second half. Score Reese. Don't tap it.
The score we have here is 40 points to CMFI and 40 points to Nathaniel Van Massaquoi. The margin is 0 in favor of the moderating group. We have 4 more questions to come out this game. That is 40 points. We have 4 more questions, and the score is 40-40.
4 more questions, and the score is 40-40. Question number 6, and the question reads: the first 4 movements of the distribution about S is equal to 2 are 1, 2.5, 5.5, 16. Calculate the first movement about the origin. I read for clarity. The first 4 movements of the distribution about S is equal to 2 are 1, 2.5, 5.5, and 16. Calculate the first movement about the origin.
Mm-hmm. 45 seconds remaining.
CM.
You have 10 seconds. 1.
Take 6.25. 6.25.
Okay, let you have one Nathaniel Vanny. The first movement about any origin your distribution is 0. That is given by mu prime and mu prime. So 0 will be precise.
Yeah. Très bien. Très bien. Avant qu'on go produce to the next question, pendant question les 1 plus C or 1 minus C, got if R manufacture.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, you see your answer was, I think, 25. What was your answer?
I said 25 plus 24 are over 25.
But in the denominator, you get 4 minus 16 r squared. So you get 4 plus 16, we get 20. So the denominator will be 20, now it be 25. So you can save your quantity after you get raised.
Let me address it. See. You guys say 1 plus C over 1 minus C. Eh?
What's your denominator?
I get 8R plus 6 or 8R plus 6.
Wait, did you arrive at a place where? Okay, so let's take a step back. Quick. When you try to solve for z, you have minus 3 plus 4r, or divided by minus 2 plus 4r, right? When you at that point, if you're at that point, then you try to rationalize that denominator because
But since you got a plus br, so that's the equation to be using.
Right. But whatever you do, 20 can be in that denominator because you have.
No, 25 can be there. 20 can be the denominator.
25 he said, 25 he said. Yeah, 20 is the denominator. So there's no need to argue. We can send you the proof later. You can send us the proof. We're saying the proof. Thomas, please continue.
Okay.
Please continue with the last few questions.
So the score is 40 points to CMFI and 40 points to Nathaniel Van Massaquoi. We have 3 more questions to climax this game. The score is 40-40, and the margin here is 0 in favor of the moderating board. So they are attentive at this point. We have 3 more questions, and the score is tied. We have to be attentive at this point. So if you have noise at your back, just tell whoever is making noise to move on. And I read. The question is question number 7. I read for both schools. If an angle is complementary to another angle, that is 1/4 of a supplement angle, find the measure of the angle. I read again. If an angle is complementary to another angle, that is 1/4 a supplementary angle, find the measure of the angle. I read for the last time. If an angle is complementary, not. What is the answer? You have 10 seconds.
60.
Come again.
60 degrees.
60. Come again. 60 degrees. 60. Come again. 60 degrees. There teach me. I want to learn. There Teach me.
My answer is negative minus x is equal to 1 over 4 in the parentheses of 1 minus x. So
don't proceed. I like it like that. 90 minus x is equal to 1 over 4, 180 minus x. Simple. The whole equation has been transformed to numbers. Simple. Don't say anything again. Anybody can solve it from there. Anybody can solve it from that point. 10 points.
That's simple.
So, folks, if you are just joining us, I want to say you are highly welcome. The score we have here in studio is 50 points to Nathaniel Van Massaquoi, while CMFI 40 points. The margin we have here in studio is 10 point margin in favor of Nathaniel Van Massaquoi. We have 2 more questions to climax this game. So move on to question number. We move on to question number 8. The question is question number 8, and I read for both schools. Question number 8, and I read. 10 years ago, a father was 4 times as old as his son. CMFI, are you there? CMFI, are you there?
There's a glitch.
Okay. Hold on.
We'll wait for CMFI. We'll give them a few seconds to be back. If you're joining us, this is the second game of the day. Please stick around one more game. As you can see, it's a very close game. even the moderators has got to be careful. We have got to double check what is going on, and we have to see that this game is settled convincingly. It's settled without any qualm. It's settled with such mathematical satisfaction and precision. So we'll wait CMFI to rejoin us in a split second. The score is 50 points to Nathaniel Vani Massaquoi and 40 points to CMFI. Nathaniel Vani Massaquoi hails from Bong County, Banga City, and CMFI is from Montserrado County, Central Monrovia, or if you want to be precise, in the Garnersville, Painesville belt. Thomas Sabe.
So folks, welcome once again. If this is your first time joining us, wherever you join from, I want to say you are highly welcome to this wonderful encounter.
My name is Willie E. Bedell. I am a partner for this program. I'm going to be one of the moderators here.
Call me the question called Hakia Sophia because I am the holy wisdom of the Francis Nyaman Institution.
Because I built a great work of channeling the 600 BD for today, battle coming of chemical that is meant to kill all sickness will be the human stomach as from it.
I'm not getting.
So folks, welcome once again. If this is your first time joining us, wherever you join from, I want to say you are highly welcome to this wonderful encounter.
My name is Willie E. Bedell. I am a partner for this program. I'm going to be one of the moderators here.
Which does say that the volume occupied by a fixed amount of gas is directly proportional to the temperature provided that pressure is constant.
Provided the pressure is constant. And what is the answer?
Take Charles' law.
Charles' law is precise for 10 points.
The closeness of a measurement to its accepted value that of a particular quantity or the physical quantity is referred to as what?
If I may.
So folks, welcome once again. If this is your first time joining us, wherever you join from, I want to say you are highly welcome to this wonderful encounter.
My name is Willie E. Bedell. I am a partner for this program. I'm going to be one of the moderators here.
call me the Kwesiko Hakia Sophia because I am the Holy Wisdom of the Francis Nyamonga Institution.
Home because I built a great wall of China in the 600 BC. But for today, battle coming of chemical that is meant to kill all sickness within the human stomach as from it.
Sweat.
You are dead. I tell you.
Chosen be fast.
Collection sweat. You give me? Come on, we're gonna do you.
Thomas, please continue. Please continue, Thomas. Time is now, friend. Thomas, please continue. No, I'm not hearing you, Thomas.
Me yourself.
Hello, Thomas. Can you hear me? No, Thomas, I'm not hearing you. Send me your questions. I'll read your questions. Send me the last two questions, Thomas. So, guys, welcome back. Two more questions to go. And the score is Nathaniel Vani Massaquoi 50 points and CMFI Bilingual 40 points. The margin is 10 points in favor of NV Massaquoi. Thomas, say a word. Let's see. Thomas, say something. Thomas, if you're speaking, I'm not hearing you. Lieutenant Vanny Massaquoi, how many persons answered the 5 questions from your team?
Johnson Dolo.
So Johnson, you're the one who answered all the questions. Johnson, can you hear me? Oh man. Thomas Tabe, are you there?
So, folks, welcome once again. If this is your first time joining us, wherever you join from, want to say you are highly welcome to this wonderful encounter.
My name is Willie E. Bedell. I am a partner for this program. I'm going to be one of the moderators here.
Call me the Kwesiko Hakia Sophia because I am the holy wisdom of the Francis Nyama institution.
Because I built a great work of China in the 6th century BC, but for today, battle coming or chemical that is meant to kill all sicknesses within the human stomach are stomach.
All right, Thomas, please go ahead. Let's end this game quick, please.
Are you guys hearing me now?
Yes.
Hello?
Yeah.
So we have 2 more questions to climax this game. The question is question number 8. The score is 50 points to Nathaniel Vanny Massaquoi and 40 points to CMFI. And I read. "10 years ago, a father was 4 times as old as his son." I read this part again. 10 years ago, a father was 4 times as old as his son. I read this part for the last time. 10 years ago, a father was 4 times as old as his son. 10 years from now, the father age will be twice the son age. How old are they now? 10 years from now, the father age will be twice the son age. How old are they now? 10 years from now, the father age will be twice the son age. How old are they now? I read for the last time. 10 years ago, a father was 4 times as old as his son. 10 years from now, the father age will be twice the son age. How old are they now?
How many seconds you got, Thomas? CM. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3.
Yes, the son is 5 years and the father is 30 years.
Thomas,
You are wrong. I can't accept that. You are wrong. I can't accept that. You are wrong. Nathaniel Vanny Massaquoi, you have 20 seconds remaining. 10 years ago, a father was 4 times as old as his son. 10 years from now, the father age will be twice the son age. How old are they now? You have 15 seconds. Now you have 10 seconds. The countdown. 1.
Nah.
Your
You get
answer,
me?
not. Your answer. 2. 3.
Okay.
4.
Take your answer will be the father age will be 10 and là le son age. Le son age will be 10 also.
You are wrong. The father age is 50 years and the son age is 20 years. The father age is 50, the son age is 20 years. 50 and 20 were being precise. And folks, that's how we move to the last question. to climax this game. If you are just joining us, want to say you are highly welcome. That's how we move to the last question to climax this game. The question is question number last, and I read for both schools. Last question to climax this game, and I read. Determine the smallest number that is divisible by integers from 1 to 10. Determine the smallest number that is divisible by all integers from 1 to 10. Determine the smallest number that is divisible by all integers from 1 to 10.
CM.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes.
CM, you have 10 seconds. What is the answer?
Yes, CM, go ahead.
The smallest integer is 1.
You are wrong. Determine the smallest number. Determine the smallest number that is divisible by all integers from 1 to 10. Determine the smallest number that is divisible by all integers from 1 to 10. You have 10 seconds, Nathan. Yeah, what is your answer?
Take 3.
Your answer?
It's 3. Larry.
You are wrong. The correct and precise answer is 2,520. 2,520. 2,520. Determine the smallest number that can be divided by 2, that can be divided by 3, that can be divided by 4 until 10. That's the meaning of divisible. So, folks, that's how we come to the end of this game. The score is 50 points to Nathaniel Vanny Massaquoi and 40 points to CMFR. The margin is 10 points in favor of Nathaniel Vanny Massaquoi.
All right. So, folks, thank you for the time. Please join us. We have one more game, and that game is between the Sumo Moi Institute versus Grace Baptist. Sumo Moi Institute versus Grace Baptist. Thank you for your time, and the guys in studio, you can leave now. Thank you.